Hi friends, good afternoon. My name is Harshada Kishore Walne. I have completed Bachelor of Engineering in Electronics and Telecommunication Streams with Savitribai Phule University along with first class with distinctions. Today's date is 8 March 2022 and today's video topic is exceptions handling. Today we will discuss about what is meant by the exceptions handling, what is the types of the exceptions handling, and what is the uses of the exceptions handling, and what is the advantages of the exceptions handling. First we will discuss about the exceptions handling. What is meant by the exceptions handling? The exception handling is the mechanism to execute of the runtime's error. So it is called as an exceptions handlings. Means the exceptions handlings are the basically executions of the executes of the runtime's error, likes of an IOE exceptions, SQL exceptions, arithmetical programming exceptions, then index bound of exception. This is the exceptions of the runtimes of the exceptions. What are the types of the exceptions? Basically, there are two types of the exceptions. The first one is the checks exceptions and the second one is the unchecks exceptions. What is meant by the checks exceptions? The check exceptions mean the inherits of the executions of runtime's error. So it is called as an check exceptions. And the for examples of the check exceptions is the IOE exceptions and SQL exceptions. These are the example of check exceptions. Uncheck exceptions. The uncheck exceptions means the exceptions can be arithmetic inherits of the runtime's error. Inherits of the runtime not inherit, it is the directly inherits of the runtime's error. So it is called as an unchecked exceptions. For examples of an index bound of exceptions, arithmetical exceptions. For example, if you create of the whenever addition, subtraction, something whatever you create of the addition, subtraction, it is in arithmetical operation. That time will be creates of the arithmetical exceptions. Index bound of exception, null pointer exception. This is the types of the unchecked exceptions. Which keywords is used in exceptions handlings? Basically, there are two keywords can be used of the in exceptions handlings. The first one is the try keywords and the second one is the catch keywords. Today we will discuss about try and the catch. What is meant by the try keywords? The try keywords can be executes of the runtimes, can be executions of the errors, runtimes of the can be executions of the errors, runtimes error. So it is called as an try open keywords. But try keywords cannot be executes of the alone. They it is in an along with, it is in an midst of, it is in an it is supports of the catch keywords. What is meant by the catch? The catch of the block can be executions of an runtimes catch can be blocks, can be executions of the runtimes catch can be executions of the runtimes error. So it is called as an catch of the keywords. The catch keywords cannot be executed of the alone. But this is the catch keywords can be also open support or the also open togethers or also togethers of the finally of the open keywords. What is meant by the finally keywords? The finally of the keywords means open the finally of any keywords can be checks of the open executions of the open. It is in a runtime execution yes or the not. Only this condition will be checks of the finally of the open keywords, and the finally of the keywords can be used of the exceptions of an handling. After that, throw and the throws. The throw and the throws are the basically two of an keywords. The throw keywords can be used of the exceptions, can be executes of the exceptions, and the throws keywords can be used of the exceptions of an handles. So this is the exceptions handling. That's all. Thank you.